Hello guys, this is Aaron from Ether. Welcome to Guangzhou Sincere Information Technology Limited Corporation. Adding intelligent eyes for all things is our mission. As a leading integrated optical device manufacturers and optical imaging system solutions provider, our company founded in 1992. In today's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started.
Our factory, with totally 33,315 square meters, is located in Guangdong, China. Class 100 COB dust-free workshop. Become the first batch of verified pro on Alibaba.com. We have strong R&D and manufacturing capabilities, and have passed the certification standards of OEM for well-known brands and Fortune Top 50. Products are ISO 9001, ROHS, REACH, FCC certified. Our products are widely used in various fields, such as alert equipment, smart home, smart medical, intelligent transportation, automatic driving, intelligent security, intelligent warehousing, scanning, robot, UAV, medical endoscope, industrial endoscope, computer, intelligent terminals, and etc. SMT is a kind of electronic component mounting technology which is characterized by sticking components directly on the PCB surface for welding connections, without the need for pin insertion and removal. SMT process has the characteristics of high efficiency, high precision, and high reliability. Die check is the comprehensive inspection and testing of wafers in the semiconductor process to ensure their quality meets set standards. The chip and the printed circuit board are pasted with DA glue. During the assembly process, the voltage of the chip will be controlled and the length requirements of different things will be matched to avoid undesired phenomena such as virtual focus and deformation. Camera module bonding and the gold wire bonding is a component connection operation performed on the PCB. First, it is necessary to coat a layer of metal adhesive on the pins of the camera module, and then place the module on the corresponding position on the PCB. Then press the circuit board and the camera module with a special pressure welding machine, so that the metal adhesive is melted at high temperature and welded to the circuit board with the metal pins. Finally, use a gold wire punching machine to pressurize the corresponding position and drive the metal wire into the connection hole between the module pin and the circuit board to complete the electrical connection between the module and the circuit board. When installing the camera module, the mirror base of the module will be pasted on the corresponding position to ensure the stability of the module and the accuracy of the position. Usually double-sided tape or other adhesives are used for attachment. When attaching, pay attention to whether the direction of the mirror base and the direction of the module are correct, and ensure that the attached position is flat, clean, and dust-free. After attaching, we will conduct a stability test and calibration to ensure the normal operation of the camera. The assembly process of the camera module needs to cover a variety of parameters and tested under different environments to ensure that the functions and performance of the camera module are stable and reliable, including anti-shake tests, focus tests, exposure tests, finished product tests, shipment quality inspection, and etc. Apart from this, strict quality inspection is carried out for each module produced, including appearance inspection, performance tests, environmental adaptability tests, etc. to ensure the quality and reliability of the module. Our team members communicate with customers to understand their needs and requirements, including module size, camera resolution, lens type, aperture size, interface type, application fields, etc. According to the needs to customers, we will design a scheme meets the requirements and conduct technical evaluation and cost assessment to ensure the feasibility and economy of the scheme. Thank you for watching. If you are ready to take your business to the next level, contact us today and experience the difference of working with a company that's committed to excellence.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.